Hi, I'm Simon with AppliancePartsPros.com. Today we're going to show you how to repair your appliance. Are you ready? Remember, anytime you work on your appliance, make sure it's unplugged or the circuit breakers are off so there's no chance of electrocution. In this video, we'll show you how to replace the crisper cover assembly in the Samsung refrigerator. It's going to be a very easy repair. Should only take a few minutes to show you how to do it. For this job, we're going to need a flat blade screwdriver. When you open up the package, you're going to get a new crisper cover assembly. The crisper cover assembly is located at the lower portion of the fresh food compartment. It's used as a glass shelf and as a crisper drawer cover. The most common reason to replace the crisper cover assembly is if it cracks and no longer stays in place and jams the drawers. To get to the part, we need to open both refrigerator doors. Let's remove both crisper drawers, pull it out and lift up, and then we can take them out. Same thing on the right side, and pull it up and out. Our next step would be freeing that support from the bottom on this cover here. I'm going to do it by pressing down on the cover and sliding forward the support. We're going to disengage that tab at the back. Now going to slide the crisper cover assembly forward and remove it. So let's place the crisper cover assembly on the table, and I'm going to turn it over. And then we're going to remove this support. To remove the support, I'm going to use the flat blade screwdriver. I'm going to press in the locking tabs, one on each side. Alright, so I'm going to insert it and push it in and slide it out. This is the old crisper cover assembly next to the new one. If you don't have this part, you can get it from AppliancePartsPros.com. Alright, so this is a new crisper cover assembly. We're going to turn it over and I'm going to mount the support. So that's the support. Alright, so I'm going to slide this in, and the tabs on the side are going to lock. Alright, let's turn it over. And I'm going to place it into the fridge. Okay, let's bring it in, and I'm going to install it. Slide it in. Be careful with pushing the last inch in. Alright, there it goes down, and now we're going to lock that support. Press down the cover slightly, and the tab goes over and latches in. I'm going to install the crisper drawers back in, put it on the rollers, and push it in. And the other one, same thing. Now I'm going to remove this tape, peel it off. I'm going to move to the back and peel off this left side and the right side. And now we can close the doors. Plug the fridge back in and make sure it's cooling. Thank you for being a part of another successful repair brought to you by AppliancePartsPros.com. For any of your future appliance repair projects, please check out our other videos available on our site, on Facebook, on YouTube, and on Instagram.